Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $1.94 trillion, down 2.1% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 40.7%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, you guys can see we have seen more continuous downwards momentum occur over the last 24 hours in the cryptocurrency markets. One thing to note today is that we are still in a weekend, and as you guys may know, weekends tend to have a lot of manipulation across the board, so we cannot forget that when we are looking at the prices for the markets. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one coin that we love on this channel, and that is Solana. Alright, my Solana family, if we are looking at the Solana price, as you guys can see, Solana is down below the $100 mark once again, currently trading at 91.93 cents. We're down 4.5% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down 3.5% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Solana's current ranking stands at the top 8 spot. We have pulled down quite significantly from, couple months prior to where we are right now. Looking at the market cap, we're still sitting at $29.3 billion and the 24-hour trading volume is at $956.7 million. Right off the bat, guys, on our channel, we look at all the things, every single thing in order for us to, really see what's going on in the markets. And right now, one thing that I can point out for you guys is that the 24-hour trading volume for Solana is quite low. It's below $1 billion, and that's something we should be keeping an eye out on right now. Looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, Solana is still up 955.5%. So let's not forget that when we are looking at the prices. But now let's get right into the charts, what's exactly going on, and where could we be going in the immediate short term. So right off the bat, looking at the price, we have revisited the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. As you guys can see, we were able to break out of this level of resistance at the $110 mark. We did see us go all the way up to $121.53. Obviously, we did see Solana go with the overall cryptocurrency market momentum as Bitcoin was revisiting some critical price level resistances that we have been talking about on our channel. But unfortunately, Bitcoin was unable to break out of that resistance level that we were talking about on our channel with the Crypto ZX. And obviously, when Bitcoin has volatility, especially towards the downside, we do tend to see the entire market react, and obviously Solana is reacting to that right now. I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys. Just from February 7th, we have seen a drop of about 25.7% for the price of Solana. Nothing crazy, but we have, revisited the prices that we saw back, earlier this year. And I did mention that in my last Solana video. If you guys did watch that, I did say, guys, let's not get super, excited, and let's not say, we're off to the moon. We're heading towards newer all-time highs. We do need to keep a very, very close eye on the price of Bitcoin. And as a matter of fact, Bitcoin did not break out of that level of resistance. And this is another day we have seen Bitcoin not being able to break out of this level of resistance at the $43,630 mark. And, as you guys may know, we were talking about this zone, this literally this zone right here, the $46,200 mark. And you cannot make this up, guys. Let me zoom in for you guys. You can literally not make this up. Bitcoin price literally touched this level of resistance and boom, rejection. Complete rejection, and we have seen it go back below that $43,700 support level. And currently, we have not been able to revisit these prices. So obviously, tomorrow is Monday. It's going to play. Let's see how the overall market is going to play out. But if Bitcoin price is not able to see a rebound towards the upside, guys, we could be in for more downwards momentum. And definitely this $36,930 level is not out of the woods as of now. So what happens with Solana now, you may be asking? Obviously, like I said, if Bitcoin were to see more downwards momentum occur over the next coming day or so, and we do not see Bitcoin price climb back up to these price points, then we could be in for more downwards momentum, and I could see Solana, guys, revisit. It's definitely a possibility. Let me bring out the measuring tool for you guys. Obviously, none of us want to hear this, but on our Crypto ZX channel, we look at things, and I'm going to bring you guys the most realistic outcome, and that right now is definitely in the books as of now. If I am bringing out the measuring tool, if Bitcoin were to see us revisit this level of support at the $36,000 mark, $36,700 mark, that is a move of about 12.17% towards the downside. And as you guys may know, in cryptocurrencies, whenever an altcoin goes down with the Bitcoin momentum, altcoins tend to bleed harder compared to the price of Bitcoin. So if that were to occur, we could possibly see $80 Solana once again, or possibly even, below that. Obviously, we do have quite a bit of support that should play out for us at that $80 mark. You can see we literally touched that when we did see that correction occur. But if we go below that, guys, then things could look, bearish in my opinion for the short and medium term. So right now is a very important time. This next week could play out very, very importantly. But long-term perspective, guys, I always like telling you guys this. I always like reminding you guys this. Always invest what you can afford to lose, and always do your own due diligence and research when investing in these markets, guys. If you have done your due diligence and research and have invested what you can afford to lose, guys, patience is your number one key to follow. Volatility is not going anywhere. If someone tells you one coin, XYZ coin, is going to the moon tomorrow night, absolutely not. Yes, we do need to monitor the price of Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the leading indicator. If Bitcoin sees downwards momentum occur, guys, everything, all the price predictions get invalidated. But Solana as a project itself has been gaining a lot of traction, has grew substantially over the past year and a half, and there's a lot of big players that are eyeing Solana. And what Solana itself is doing is very, very insane. One of the biggest Ethereum competitors we have ever seen. And as you guys may know, in my personal opinion, I see Cardano and Solana being one of the top contenders in the next 2 to 3 years to really taking over Ethereum. And Ethereum community is aware of that, and you guys know that's why we are seeing so much shift coming into these new blockchain projects such as Solana, Polkadot, Cardano, and I believe this is only going to get bigger as time goes by. So, if you love Solana and you have done your due diligence and research, and you may have some money that you wanted to invest in Solana that you can afford to lose, now might be the time to be picking up Solana when it's at the cheaper prices, while there's a lot of fear across the board, rather than, when there's a lot of hype, people are getting hyped, moon tomorrow, that's when you should be taking profits. And, let that be a lesson for everyone, because again, I have been in this market for the last 7 years. Boy, have I made a lot of mistakes. I've made a lot of mistakes, and greediness is one of the things that no one should have. You should always be locking in profits if you're sitting at massive profits. But long-term perspective for Solana, guys, sky is the limit. Looking at the BTC dominance, guys, BTC dominance has not budged whatsoever. We are seeing BTC dominance climb up towards the upside. Should not be coming as a surprise to any one of us, because as you may know, Bitcoin uncertainty is quite high right now. It is sitting at some critical price levels, and we could see more downwards momentum occur if we do not hit those specific price targets that I have been talking about. Looking at the staking rewards, as I have mentioned earlier, Solana is still at the top most staked asset around the board. 75% of the circulation supply is being staked right now, and that itself should speak a lot of volume for you guys. I've been getting a lot of questions, where should we stake Solana? You guys can stake Solana on the crypto.com platform right then and there, and earn passive income as time goes by. But there are other alternatives to stake Solana as well. I could make an entire video explaining all that. Let me know in the comment section below. And that is it for today's update, guys. Obviously, right now, the bullish scenario for Solana would be to break out of this level of resistance at that $110 mark. But we obviously need to pay very close attention on the price of Bitcoin. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Where could you see the price of Solana go at the end of this year? I would love to know your thoughts down below. And let me know what your strategy is. Are you guys picking up more Solana? What are you guys doing right now? And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. That's literally all I ask for. And that would absolutely mean the world for me. I love you all. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first. And everything else absolutely comes later. See you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX. And peace out.